everybody, so I figured out what was wrong with her. It was actually the clutch. So it was pretty weird how it was turning off and stuff because of the clutch. I did a little bit of research and it said that the clutch was always engaging, so which puts too much load on the engine, causing the engine not to start and everything. Now that that is fixed, I'm gonna go for a ride and hopefully this goes well. Hopefully I don't blow another clutch. That would not be good. And I think it's gonna start first pull this time. Some of y'all were saying, turn the choke on, turn the choke on. Duh, I just cut that part out. I'm not gonna sit here showing y'all I'm fiddling with it. But yeah, it's gonna start first try. I have full confidence in this bike now, so let's see. Nope. Alright, choke off. Way less than last time. So I am gonna have to take it kind of slow this time because it just snowed last night, but most of it has cleared up, as you can tell. I'm gonna run the stop sign real quick. They acted like they were gonna let me go, but then go. Like what? It's kind of misfiring on me. I don't really know why. Alright, baby, we're about to let her rip up here. I actually kind of want to test the top speed on it. So I'm going to pull over real quick and I'm actually going to get my speedometer out. I'm going to get a top speed run. The top speed most top speed I've ever seen on this was 44 miles an hour. Which I do have a flat top piston coming and an arc billet flywheel, so that'll be fun. Why is it doing that? I hope this lady does not turn right up here, because then I won't be able to get my top run speed where I want to get it. Yay, they're going left. Top speed run, here we go. Man, the wind is bad today. And it's freezing out here. I think they were just trying to brake check me. She's riding great right now, boys. I'm so happy about this. Alright, let's check that top speed run now. If y'all want to see videos of me working on this thing, let me know in the comments. I was a mechanic for 3 years, so I kind of know what I'm doing. Alright, let's check this top speed. 44.2, so nothing's changed. Hey, that's pretty good. For only having a governor delete and a carburetor, she's definitely running a little bit lean. God, dude, these people are looking at me like I'm insane on this little ass bike. She's running a little bit lean, but that's an easy fix. All I gotta do is tune the carburetor up a little bit. Ooh, that backfires. To the people telling me to straight chain my bike, no. You can change the gearing and it'll keep the same torque. No, it won't. It's impossible. The more top speed you have with gearing, the more top speed you have, the less acceleration you are going to have. No ifs, ands, or buts. If I straight chain this will have a slower 0 to 30. And there's no ifs, ands, or buts about that. So please stop commenting. If you like the torque, yeah, shut up. And half of y'all can't even spell torque properly. Y'all put torque. I was a mechanic for 3 years, and I know what I'm doing, for the most part. I'm turning left here. I can't stand these slow drivers. I really can't. Like, what is that stopping? I am in the ghetto, y'all. As y'all can tell. My childhood friend used to live down the street. I miss him. I don't remember exactly where it was, but it was definitely on this street. Figure out where his house was. Revisiting old memories right here, y'all. From like damn near 15 years ago. Been in that house, I've been in the backyard. That brings back some nostalgia. I just love going down memory lane on my motorcycle, man. It's just good vibes. This thing does not like low RPM. Ooh, stop sign. Yeah, I need to tighten these brakes some. I am slamming on my brake as hard as I can. Woo! Pulled the gas a little too hard there. Today's video doesn't really have like a purpose. I'm just kind of cruising, enjoying myself. Just recording. Because why not? It's like 39 degrees out here, but I love my motorcycles. Oh, jumping curves here. I wish I had like a fishing rod. I'd stop and throw in a line. Damn, that exhaust is turning blue from all that heat. It's a nice little ghetto scenery. Yeah, I used to come to this park all the time. I've seen fights on this bridge, and that same fight, they tried to throw them over into the water. I have one buddy, I'm still friends with him today. He actually swam in this dirty water because I dared him to. It's a nice little spot though. I just wish I had more people to ride with. All my friends sold their mini bikes. We all kind of just went our separate ways. Kind of sad, but part of life. All right, let's start her back up. First pull. Once this clutch is gone, I'm putting a CVT on it. I can't stand this. These little motors can be a pain sometimes, but when they're fixed, they're very fun. There's like nobody here. Should I try a small wheelie? Yeah, no. A little racetrack though. Oh, they have school going on right now. I probably shouldn't be passing through here. Ooh, that backfired though. Something's burning. Oh yeah, this is the real ghetto. Might just be the crackheads around here burning something. Or it's my bike. Either one. But I'm gonna bet on the crackheads. I might bet on my bike. Oh sheesh. That might be a cop. Nope, it's not. Some old lady. That's it for the day, guys. If y'all enjoyed this, please give it a like, subscribe, and peace.